Hello, hello, and thanks for joining me, everyone. This is a review on Swarm, and pretty much question for you is how much effort does it take to create a video on YouTube? It takes a lot. You got to find content, you got to put it together, and things like that. And finding content is typically sometimes difficult to do. However, the owners of this product, Swarm, they pretty much show you how to create a video using existing videos. It's actually legal and it's very interesting, but you can put a video using awesome content out there and it can be your own. You can promote it and go to, put it on YouTube. So really good stuff. Now, it's actually really quick. It's actually a few steps. You pretty much just enter a keyword. We're going to go through this anyway, but you enter a keyword, you pick a ready-to-use video or videos, and you just upload it. It's very quick. But before we get into that, guys, if we can, we are going to go through some bonuses that I have here. These bonuses you will get free of charge if you just purchase through my link below. And really quick, let's go through these. So bonus number one, earn $5,000 per month uploading simple videos. And this is pretty much, they show you keywords to actually use that will trigger the top things to promote out there. So they type in the words how to, and you will find the most powerful niches. Now, if you didn't know, the word how to is actually the door to the most powerful niches because those words get used all the time. So if you type that into YouTube right now, you will see what I mean. But I'm going to save that for this bonus, guys. It's really good and it's actually in very good detail. Bonus number two, 10 psychological triggers to make people buy from you. What this bonus will teach you is pretty much using curiosity. If you say too much, let's just say on the front page of your website, then people are not that curious because you've given them everything they need to know. So saying less is better because you pretty much trigger curiosity and they will dig deeper into your site. So good bonus. Bonus number three, how to sell anything to anyone with an irresistible offer. To sum this up, it's by using bundling. And bundling is kind of like what fast food places do. They bundle like a burger, fries, and a soda so that it's more intriguing to you and you actually will buy it. And you can make more money by doing that. So good stuff. And the last bonus is don't start YouTube before watching this. Some questions like, do you think that pumping out a bunch of YouTube videos is beneficial? Or is it beneficial to chase the absolute top trending topics? Believe it or not, you might be surprised. So you'll learn that in this bonus right here, guys. So if you purchase through my link below, you will get these 4 bonuses for free. So let's get right into this topic. Let's see here. Actually, I'll tell you what, guys, I'm going to go a little bit off script here, and we are going to watch a video real quick because this video is from the owner, and he will show you pretty much really good on what this software is and how it works. I think you'll like this, so let's do that right now.
So let me show you how this software works. Right now I'm in the dashboard of the Swarm, and here we have one option called Create Campaign. So click on Create Campaign, your campaign name. So let's put cute dog videos. Now you can search for the keywords. So search for cute dog videos, and then software pull entire data and analysis of particular keywords in this niche. So you can see it shows you keyword, traffic source, difficulty rank, how many search results for the particular keyword, and entire analysis. Then you can choose on the basis of difficulty rank which keyword you would like to target. So let's go ahead with this one. So here green means it's very easy for you to rank the video. So let's go ahead and target this keyword, cute dog videos funny. Click here on search videos, and now it will show you videos available on YouTube that are ranked for the particular keywords. Now let's say if you want to use this video, so click here on select video for compilation. Then here is one that you want to add, and this is the third one. Once that is done, you can click here on create data. Meanwhile, you will also be able to export entire video data analysis, like how many views this video has got, how many likes, what are the dislikes, comments, everything you can export, and you can use this data while uploading your video on YouTube. So we'll see that later, but just go ahead and create video for now. So here are these 3 videos that we have already selected. Now we can select, we can trim the video as per our requirement. So let's go ahead and trim this video. So from here to say here, I want to trim this video, so I will click on trim video. Now software will go and trim the video. Now that is done, let's go ahead and trim the second video. Now let's edit this second video. So let's edit it from here to here and click on trim. So here you have second video, and now let's go ahead and edit the third one as well. So I will go ahead, edit it from here to here. Alright, so we have edited all three videos. Now let's go ahead and create a video. So software will go and compile all these three trimmed part of different videos and create a complete video. It takes some time. Once that is done, you will get notification in your email, or you can go and check out your video status in dashboard here. So now it's working on it. Once that is done, it will show you. So now you can see the video is ready. Now we have to add intro and outro. So let's create intro and outro here. So if you want to add intro and outro, you can do it from here, or else you can skip this step. So let's add intro. Awesome view doc video. Change the background color. Font color. If you want, you can do here with the background color, font size. Now let's create outro similarly. Subscribe to my channel. Again, let's change. You can change the background color if you want from here, and you are done. So you are done with the second step. You can click on generate video. See here, the video is ready. You now can add subtitle and audio. So for audio, you can choose our preloaded open source audio files. You can select it from here. Okay, or maybe this one. So let's add this one. Now that is done. If you want to record your voiceover, you can do it from here as well. And you can add subtitles. So say here you want to add subtitle till 10 seconds. Here again, if you want to add it up to 30 seconds, you can do that. And similarly, you can keep on adding it till your video ends. Now, once that is done, you just have to click on generate video, and your video is done. So in 3 simple steps, you have created a video using others' existing videos. You can now import your tags, you can import other data like description, and create your YouTube video, and you are ready to upload your video once the compilation of this entire video is done. So now system is working in the background, and it's compiling the videos and adding subtitles and adding background music and everything. Once that is done, you will get notification in your dashboard or in your email, and you are ready to upload your video on YouTube. So I just want to show you the existing video demonstration. This is the video. This is how video looks like. I have created one for Q-Doc keyword. Now when your video is ready, you can go here and upload on YouTube or Vimeo, and when you are uploading it on YouTube, system will prompt you with the most relevant keywords and description. You can upload your thumbnail from here as well. So it's a complete system, right from doing research for highly trending videos on YouTube. It creates videos and it also adds relevant tags and relevant description, and you can upload the video right from the system on YouTube. So it's a complete system in itself. That is how Swarm works. Thank you.
All right, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. You can see how easy it is to do that. A few more things I want to go through with you guys before I let you go. Let's see what we got here. These are some additional bonuses that the owner has given you, in addition to the 4 that I'm giving you as well. We'll go through this real quick. Bonus 1, Swarm Special Live Training. Bonus 2, $130 discount on Swarm Unlimited. That's actually an upsell that you can purchase into as well. Bonus 3, spy on people making thousands each month from this weird video system. And pretty much I like to show this, guys. This is actually pretty interesting. You get a 120-day guarantee, but this right here is pretty neat. Let's read it. If you copy the system and put the software to use, and for some strange reason you don't get results, just open a support ticket, and not only will they refund you, but they'll also send you a further $100 for wasting your time. So that's pretty interesting. I would say this product will probably work. Otherwise, I don't know how many of those $100 they can do. So that's pretty gutsy. So anyway, one more thing. So guys, the cost for this front-end product is extremely low for what you're getting. You get all this value right here: the software, the video system, the target niches, the income method. You get $100,000 per day insight, world-class support, 4 platinum bonuses on top of my bonuses, and all for the price of, bam, just kidding. All right, here we go. $16.97, guys, $16.97. That's pretty much the price of like a restaurant lunch, maybe. So it's a good deal, guys. Very, very good deal. And pretty much the last thing I wanted to show you here is, where are you? All right, guys, this is the last thing I wanted to show you is frequently asked questions. Is there a money-back guarantee? Yes, we talked about that. Do you need any technical skills or experience? No. You guys were able to see how simple this was. Is it compatible on both PC, Mac, etc.? It is. It's web-based, guys. So you pretty much just log in and you're good to go. Are there any monthly fees? For right now, the answer is no. Is training included? Yes. And how do you lock in my discount? Just click the button on my bonus page and you will get everything we've been talking about. So I hope you guys liked it. I appreciate it. If you would, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate that. And you'll end up getting videos that I put out there about all these different products and stuff like that that's coming out. It's all good stuff, guys. You can all make money from it. So thanks for hanging with me, and we'll see you.